Today, we're diving into the world of running shoes. And let me tell you, things are about to get crazy. From eye-watering price tags to out-of-this-world designs, we've got some of the wildest running shoes to talk about. So, lace up your favorite pair and let's hit the ground running. All right, let's kick things off with a shoe that's been making headlines. The Adidas Adizero Prime X. This bad boy not only stands out for its futuristic design, but also for its jaw-dropping price tag of $500. Yep, you heard that right. It's the most expensive running shoe ever made, with a recommended lifespan of just one marathon.
Talk about living life in the fast lane!
Now the Evo 1 features a 40mm stack of Lightstrike Pro foam, a carbon plate, and weighs in at just 135 g. Limited to only 521 pairs, getting your hands on one of these is like winning the lottery. But hey, it's World Athletics legal, so at least you can run with the best of them. Now let's throw it back to 2003 with the Nike Mayfly. At a mere PS25, it's the budget-friendly cousin to the Evo 1. With a warning label that screams limited to 100 km, these shoes were all about lightweight simplicity. The Mayfly's gossamer thin upper and CMA cushioning made it a favorite for the biomechanically gifted, because you had to be efficient to make the most of these babies. Oh, and did I mention they came with a recyclable drawstring bag? Nike was all about sustainability even back then. Now let's take a leap back to 1987 with the Nike Air Max. This groundbreaking shoe introduced the world to air technology, providing unparalleled cushioning. Sure, it may have weighed around 400 g, but that visible air unit was a game changer, paving the way for future Nike classics. Today, the Air Max 1 has shifted from a technical runner to a fashion icon, but its legacy lives on. Speaking of air, let's talk about the Nike Air Max Scorpion. With a towering 50mm stack of full-length air cushioning, it's like walking on clouds. Sure, they might feel a bit hefty for long runs, but that broad, cushioned footprint offers stability like no other. It's a bold move by Nike, pushing the limits of cushioning technology. Now let's jump into the present with the Adidas Adizero Prime X 2.0 Strung. This technical marvel, banned for competitions, is a beast in training. With a 15mm stack, double carbon plates, and Strung manufacturing technique for the upper, it's a symphony of innovation. It's crazy, it's fast, and it's Adidas pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Next up, the Mizuno Enerzy. Originally a concept shoe in 2020, it showcased Mizuno's plush Enerzy cushioning. With a whopping 50 fine-gem stack, this shoe is a visual feast. While not intended for long runs, it sure does make a statement. A knitted sock-like upper soft foam and futuristic design, Mizuno's pushing the boundaries of style and comfort. Before we unveil the verdict on our ultimate pick, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to us. Last but not least, let's talk about the Puma Fastroid, a pumped-up, rule-breaking monster. With a midsole that shouts, "Not competition approved," and a towering 65 Ni mirror in the heel, it's a statement shoe to say the least. Sure, it might feel a bit unstable on turns, but for a short, fun run, it's an absolute blast. Puma's showing us that breaking the rules can be crazy good fun. And there you have it, folks. A journey through some of the craziest running shoes ever made. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more crazy shoe reviews and running adventures.
Until next time, keep on running and stay crazy!